Hello. So I'm a big Rolling Stones fan, and for that I want to share this little lesson with you, and it's about sounding a little bit like the Rolling Stones. A lot of the songs that the Rolling Stones play, Keith plays in open G tuning. If you only have one guitar, or you play in a band and you don't want to travel with different guitars, different tunings, then there is a little trick that you can do and sort of emulate the sound of the Stones. I wouldn't say that it's going to be sounding exactly like the Stones, but you will sound pretty good, pretty decent, I would say. So maybe some of you will disagree with me. So requirements would be that you know how to play bar chords, right? You know, the open chords, E bar chord, and A bar chord. You need to be comfortable with those and know what key, what chord you're actually playing, right? So this would be C. On the 3rd fret, the A bar chord is C. Okay. All right, so that's one thing you need to know. The other thing is useful to know is that your D shape, only picking the 3 lower strings, the G, B, and E. As you move down the neck, obviously right here this is open D, but as you move down the neck, you get different notes. So on the 4th fret, that becomes E. That's kind of important to know. So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how you can sound a little bit like Keith Richards, okay? So we're in the key of B. So I'm not barring it, I'm just going right down, and with my index finger, I'll push down on the A shape, right? On the D string, the G string, as well as the B string. And I pluck those like a power chord. Then I'm going to hammer on and with my index finger, and I create that D shape, right? Because I'm already barring everything here, I'm adding the index. And with my ring finger, I'm pushing down on the 6th fret, right here, on the D string. Huh, that sounds cool, eh? So I'm playing actually D in E. D, E, 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 A, D, because I'm playing E now. So on the chorus, you can slide down to the E position. So E, and the D shape down here is A. Anyway, I'm sure you're getting the hang of this. You go on a guitar and you're going to probably be able to simulate a lot of tunes. Okay, so for Brown Sugar, I play that down here, which essentially is C, G. sure you get the idea what you can do, right? Okay, honky tonk, same thing. I'm just plucking now open G. Something like that. So a wide variety of Rolling Stones tunes can be played using that technique, just up and down the neck. Pretty cool. Anyway, enjoy, have fun.